Keeping your HVAC unit in tip-top shape means regular maintenance is a must if you want it running smooth and saving you money on energy bills. So, you bought your house in 2019 and the HVAC was already there, right? First off, doing maintenance every 6 months is solid. Once before you start cranking the AC for summer, and once around 3/4 into summer, just like you said. Definitely clean the condensate drain line and pump while you're at it, because if that gets clogged, moisture backs up and causes all sorts of issues, even mold growth. Since you've got cottonwood trees nearby, leaves and debris can sneak into your outdoor unit, so keep an eye on that and clear off anything that could block airflow. Change your air filters every 1 to 3 months depending on how dusty your place gets or if you've got pets. Make sure your vents aren't blocked by furniture or curtains so air can flow freely. Also, schedule a professional HVAC tune-up once a year just to catch any sneaky problems early and keep that unit running like a champ. Keeping these basic habits up will help avoid costly repairs and keep your home comfy year-round. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC maintenance is ignoring the condensate drain line. When it clogs, water pools and can cause damage or mold, but flushing it out with vinegar or a wet-dry vacuum usually fixes that fast. Another common issue is skipping air filter changes. Dirty filters choke your system and make it work harder, so swapping them regularly is key to energy efficiency and good air quality. Lastly, people often forget to clear debris from the outdoor unit, which messes with airflow and cooling performance. Just trimming branches and blowing off leaves can prevent this problem easily. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors for HVAC maintenance and repairs, so you don't have to stress about who to call. Plus, it gives contractors a way to connect with people needing their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.